I am installing an emergency exit sign that needs to be hardwired. What size romex wire should I use, and does it need to be on its own breaker switch?
Hello and thank you for posting on www.JustAnswer.com. My name is XXXXXX I'm here to help you. I usually try to put exit sign on the lighting circuit, that way if breaker trips and lights go out the exit/emergency lights will come on. Use 12/2 wire to be safe. If it's commercial building you should use MC and not romex. Check what type of wiring is done. Let me know.
It is a commercial building. Not familiar with the term MC. What does it stand for? Also, there are 5 other emergency exit signs that exist. I am adding one into it. Should I run the new exit sign wiring directly to the lighting circuit at the panel?
It's best to run wire from existing exit signs. What type of wires are ran now?
Are you saying to run all the exit signs in a loop and not individually back to the circuit breaker?
Each exit sign does not have to be dedicated circuit from panel. They are jumped, looped, between each other. So if you already have existing exit sign, then just tap to the nearest one. Let me know if you have more questions.
Great. What does the term MC stand for that you referred to?
Type of wire which is used in suspended ceiling applications. This is the one. http://www.goodmark.com/products/southwire armorlight aluminum clad type MC12 cable 12 MC.htm.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.